Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science is the oldest scientific research institute in India.
This is the only institution in our country where the work done in the institution by legendary C.V. Raman was recognized by Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930.
IACS was founded by a medical doctor, Mahindra Lal Sarkar. Mahindra Lal was born in 1833 during the Indian Renaissance. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Derozio and Bidashagar advocated European education in India. European education in India was introduced much later during the First War of Independence, the Sipahi Mutiny of 1857. Mahindra Lal obtained the MD degree of the Calcutta Medical College in 1863. Around 1869, Mahindra Lal started writing about his dream project, establishment of an Indian Research Institute. IACS was founded on the 29th of July 1876 at 210 Beaubazar Street. Father Lafont of St. Xavier's College helped Mahindra Lal to organize IACS. Maharaja of Vizianagaram and Kali Kisan Tagore gave money for the building. IACS was slow in starting original research and Mahindra Lal felt frustrated. In 1879, a Marathi girl, Anna Tarkhare Pandurang, visited IACS. She started to call Mahindra Lal Sarkar Baba. About her letter, Mahindra Lal wrote in his diary on the 11th of May 1879.
Baba, the world is cruel and slow to recognize, but do not suppose your life and labor has been wasted. Anna was the girl who taught Rabindranath Tagore Western ethics when Rabindranath went to Europe for the first time.
In 1904, Sarkar died a broken man. C.V. Raman was born in Tamil Nadu on 7th of November 1888. In 1906, he obtained the MSc Physics degree from Madras University with first rank. Raman also stood first in Indian Financial Service Examination. In 1907, C.V. Raman came to Calcutta. Raman came to Calcutta not to work as a scientist, but as an officer in the Audit and Accounts Office of the Government of India. Soon after coming to Calcutta, he found IACS and started doing research at IACS outside his office hours. His first paper was published from IACS in Nature in September 1907. In 1905, Bengal was divided. As a protest to the partition of Bengal, Ashutosh Mukherjee, the then Vice-Chancellor of Calcutta University, created the Science College in 1914. In 1917, Raman joined Science College as the first Palit Professor of Physics. Initially, Raman worked on acoustics, particularly Indian musical instruments. He started working on Raman effect from 1923. He did not have any equipment. He approached G.D. Birla for money to buy a spectrograph. Raman sent his paper by telegram to Nature on 16th of February 1928. He was awarded the 1930 Nobel Prize in Physics. Raman, however, cried after receiving the Nobel Prize. My poor country, India, did not even have a flag of her own. And it was this that triggered off my complete breakdown. Raman was the first in Asia to receive the Nobel Prize in Science. Raman always said, Indian mind is not inferior. What we lack is in courage and the spirit of victory. And if that indomitable spirit is to arise, nothing can hold us from achieving our rightful destiny. Bolo, 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 Two of Raman's students at IACS, S.K. Mitro and K.S. Krishnan, became FRS, and many others were also famous. In 1933, Raman left Calcutta to join the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, as its first Indian director. Before leaving Calcutta, Raman appointed K.S. Krishnan, the co-discoverer of Raman effect, as the first M.L. Sarkar Professor of IACS. On September 26, 1948, B.C. Roy laid the foundation of the new campus at Jadavpur. The Honorable Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru sent a message on this occasion. Meghnad Shah joined IACS as its first official director in 1953. On 16th of February 1956, Meghnad Shah died on the staircase of the Planning Commission while he was going to submit some papers for IACS. After M.N. Shah, K. Banerjee became the director of IACS. Satyendranath Bose joined IACS as the national professor in 1958 and remained in this institute till his death in 1974. The most important discoveries at IACS in the modern era include B.C. Guha's work on molecular magnetism, Ray Datta twist mechanism, S.R. Palit's work on polymer, Shadhan Bose's work on quantum chemistry, Amol Roy Choudhury's discovery of the famous Roy-Choudhury equation on relativity. In 1976, the Honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi laid the foundation of the Centenary Building. In 1988, during the celebration of Raman's birth centenary, the Honorable Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi unveiled a plaque which was installed at 210 Bowbazar Street. On 7th of December 2009, the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology, Prithviraj Chavan, laid the foundation stone of the Baruipur campus.
I'm extremely happy to be with you today. Rightly, when I decided to come to Calcutta, Dr. Ramaswamy suggested that I go here first. Because as I said, this is the knowledge hotspot, and rightly so. You have an excellent track record, large number of doctorate students and postdocs, very good record of publications. I understand that it is one of the best records among all the DST institutions and ranks fourth in all Indian institutions in the area of scientific publications.
On 7th of May 2010, Dr. T. Ramaswamy, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, inaugurated the IACS Archives.
Friends, I'm very happy to be here today, and I've never seen this hall so full in the past. I've been here many occasions. Obviously, this is the strength of the association.
On 10th of December 2010, C.N.R. Rao inaugurated the Centenary Building.
Everyone talks about universal magnetism of inorganic particles. Just press any.
The March for Excellence in Science, which was Mahendralal's dream and which Raman started at IACS, still continues and will continue to inspire generations to come.